My today's assignment is on topic marketing mix. Its meaning, 4 P's of marketing mix and the components of marketing mix. Firstly, the question raised, what do you understand by marketing mix? Marketing mix refers to the set of action or tactics that a company uses to promote its brand or any product in the market. The marketing mix has been defined as a set of marketing tools that the firm uses to pursue its marketing objectives in the target market. Marketing practice has been occurring from millennia, but the theory emerged in the early 20th century. The contemporary marketing mix, or the 4 P's of marketing mix, which has become the dominant framework for marketing management decisions, was first published in 1960. Basically, there are 7 P's of marketing mix, which include product, price, place, promotion, process, physical evidence, and people. But the 4 most important P's include product, price, place, and promotion. All the 7 P's of marketing mix are interdependent on each other. The first and most important P of marketing mix is product. Product refers to the item actually being sold. A product can be a service or any item. It could be physical, virtual, or in a cyber form. A product needs to be relevant. The user must have an immediate use of it. A product needs to be functionally able to do what it is supposed to do and do it with the good quality. Product is entity that satisfy a customer's need and want. The product must deliver a minimum level of performance. The second P in the marketing mix stands for price. Price refers to the value that is put for a product. It depends on a cost of production, segment targeted, ability of the market to pay, supply demands, and a host of other direct and indirect factors. Your pricing strategy should reflect your product's positioning in the market, and the resulting price should cover the cost per item and the profit margin. Price is one of the most important ways in which customers choose between different products and different services. In marketing mix, the third P is known as place. In the marketing mix, the process of moving products from the producers to intended users is called place. This movement could be through a combination of intermediaries such as distributors, wholesalers, and retailers. Through the use of a right place, a company can increase sales and maintain these over a longer period of time. In return, this would mean a great share of market and increase its revenue and profit. In addition, a newer method is the internet, which itself is a marketplace now. The fourth and last P of marketing mix is promotion. In marketing mix, promotion refers to any kind of marketing communication used to inform targeted audience about any particular product, service, brand, or issue. The aim of the promotion is to increase awareness, create interest, generate sales, or create brand loyalty. It is one of the basic elements of the marketing mix. Promotion covers the method of communication that a marketer uses to provide information about its product. Information can be both verbal or visual. The method of 4 P's is a very important aspect of marketing. By using 4 P's, company will be able to succeed at the development of the products and the development of the company. Companies do not always use all of the P's, but most of the time will definitely use a mixture of some.